Hey guys, I'm Alex Lowe's and here I have the super cool looking S-DRAK Carbon 2, and today with me I have my brother Sam to help model it for us. The S-DRAK 2 is a neo-retro jet helmet available in both carbon and fiberglass versions. Just put the helmet on, Sam, and we'll speak about some of the features of this upgraded model. One of the first things is the new visor. Lightly tinted and retractable and very easy to use.
Yep, it's real nice, real simple.
Yeah. When the visor is down, it offers a real perfect seal on the mask, which makes it very easy to use in all weather conditions. Also, with the new premium finishes, as you can see on the side pod, across the mask at the front and also on the other side, allow the helmet just to look a little bit more cool. How does the helmet feel?
Yeah, it feels nice and comfortable and lightweight.
As well as being lightweight and comfortable, it's available in a few different colour options. If you just whip the helmet off, let's speak a little bit more about the mask system. So, to remove the mask, you have to lift up the visor, and on either side pod, there's a button which you push in and just simply pull the mask straight out, both sides. To clip it back in, just line it up with a slot just inside the helmet, push one side until you hear it clip, and exactly the same on the other side. So that's the S-DRAK 2. Now let's look a little bit further at the technical specifications of this model.